A lightning strike had a surprising effect on May 11th after it hit this tree, causing it to catch fire on the inside. The internal flames are caused by the extreme heat of the lightning bolt, which rapidly boils the tree's sap and water, producing steam and pressure that ignite the wood from within. A lightning bolt can reach temperatures up to 50,000 degrees Celsius, which can have several different results when striking a tree. Footage has captured lightning instantly toppling trees or even causing them to explode. While thunderstorms can provide rain relief to a dry forest, these videos show why active weather with lightning isn't always beneficial.